I'd like to show how this hydroponic system works. There is a reservoir of nutrients. Inside that reservoir is a submersible pump that is on a timer. When the timer turns on, the pump pumps the water out of the reservoir into the top of each bucket, where it filters down through the plant's roots, and at the bottom of each bucket is a drain pipe. So you can see how the water is pumped in from the top, fills up this bucket to the PVC pipeline, and then it goes out that drain pipe and back into the nutrient reservoir.